Hello everyone, welcome back to The Healthy Human. Today's video is around a push-up challenge that I recently completed. So I'll first just start off why I decided to do this. I'm not too sure, in all honesty. It was during quarantine, well, we're still in quarantine, but it was during peak quarantine times, and me and my brother had been working out at home quite a bit, and you know, I've never been good at push-ups. They've never been something I've enjoyed. I always kind of avoided, I can do them on my hands, not well, but I just enjoyed doing them on my knees because I just found it so much easier, and they weren't a favourite exercise of mine. So basically me and my brother wanted to challenge ourselves. So we decided to do a push-up challenge for a month. So this challenge actually, it went for 25 days, and initially we wanted to do 50 push-ups a day, and yeah, just hopefully increase our max push-ups. And after a few days I decided for some reason that 50 a day just wasn't enough, and it wasn't challenging me enough. But that is just what I'm like. If you know, I'm not dying, it's not challenging me. What can I say? So yeah, as you can see in the video, you'll see that after a few days we decided to make it 100 push-ups a day. And basically the video will just show you my progress throughout. It will show you my max push-ups at the start, and then my max push-ups at the end. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope this motivates you to maybe give it a go. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm about to go and do my first set of push-ups. I'm not excited. I don't enjoy doing push-ups. I'm going to try and do them on my hands and not on my knees at all. So yeah, wish me luck. But yeah, this is just going to be my starting point. I'm going to try and do as many as I can in one go, and then just finish the rest, you know, as I can, like after a few breaks. So yeah, I'm going to try and get probably like 15, hopefully 20 as my first lot. So hopefully I can get that, and then that can be my starting point, and after 30 days hopefully that number will have increased. So I've just done my push-ups and I got 25 in one go without breaking somehow. I don't know how, but yeah, I think that's an awesome starting point for me. And I stopped at 25 because I felt like if I kept going my form would be really terrible, and I don't want to count those as push-ups. So yeah, my push-ups, obviously I don't go all the way down to the ground. I'm not sure if you're supposed to be doing that, but you know what, that's not my push-ups. I do them as, you know, I go as far as I can down and then come back up while I feel strong. Yeah, I am super impressed that I got 25, so I can't imagine how much stronger I'm going to be after 30 days. So I'm going to aim for 50, I reckon, at the end, 50 push-ups in a row. I think that's achievable. So yeah, pretty happy with day one. So day 4, I'm not sure how I'm going to go today because I have really sore shoulders and a sore neck from an arm workout I did yesterday. So I'm going to aim for like 15 in one go, and then I'll just finish the others. But yeah, see how we go. I'm going alright. I've done 50 for the last 4 days, so I'm pretty proud of myself. Today was hard. So it's day 7. I've been doing these pretty much every night. I don't feel any stronger. They're still hard. I have had to kind of split them up into like sets of 10 the last few days because I've had a really sore shoulder. So yeah, I'm thinking I might now do 50 in the morning and then 50 at night. Maybe that'll help me get used to push-ups a bit better, so that's the plan. But yeah, I'm going to try and do these today in the morning. I'm just woken up, so here we go. My form was definitely not great, but I did it despite the sore shoulder. So it's day 10, and you know what, honestly it's going really well. Like yesterday was the first day I did 2 sets of 50, so one in my morning session and then I did 50 before I went to bed, and honestly I'm feeling a lot stronger. Like I can smash out 20 like pretty fast, and then I'm consistently getting 30 in my first set now. So yeah, that's what I just did, 30, and yeah, I've just got to get the other 20 before I'm done for the morning. But yeah, I'm feeling really good. So they're still hard and my form's not amazing, and like trying to get 30 towards the end, but you know, progress is progress. It's only day 10 now, I've got a month of this, so yeah. Okay, so it's officially been 2 weeks on the push-up challenge. My max push-ups are now up to 35, so that's so good. Like when I first started this it was only 25 and now I can get 35. So 2 more weeks left. My goal for this week is to try and get 40 at least one day this week. So yeah, each day I'm going to try and do like one extra. Yeah, I'm doing 50 in the morning when I wake up and then 50 at night. The ones in the morning I can't get 30 or however many in a row. I have to do them in like sets of 10 or 15 just because I'm so like sleepy. But in the afternoon, that's when I really try to smash it out, when I'm doing my proper workout and after I've had my pre-workout. So yeah, 2 more weeks to go, and yeah, I'm feeling pretty good. I'm feeling very strong and push-ups aren't so bad anymore, I think. So here we go. Okay, so I've literally just done 40 push-ups in a row, and I swear like just the other day my max was 35. I don't know what happened today, but yeah, so I literally just like smashed out 30, and then my last 10 were a bit slower, but like I'm so stoked that I've got to 40 push-ups in a row now. Yeah, so all up in this challenge I've done 1400 push-ups so far. So I have exactly 1 week left. So it's Wednesday now, so next Wednesday will be my last set of push-ups, which I will have then reached 2,000 push-ups over the last few weeks, and hopefully next Wednesday my goal is to get 50 push-ups in a row. Hopefully. I'm just going to try and psych myself up and just do it. So I'm hoping to get 45 by this weekend, maybe Saturday or Sunday. But yeah, I am so stoked that I got 40 push-ups in a row. Like I'm feeling really strong and I feel like my form is a lot better as well. So yeah, I am absolutely stoked. I did try to film it, me getting 40 push-ups in a row for this video, but also just for my own benefit, because I thought I need some proof that I can actually do this, but my camera didn't work, so I'm going to try and do it again tomorrow and film it. But yeah, 40 in a row is awesome. I'm so happy. So as you saw, I got 40 last night and this morning. I never get lots in the morning because I'm usually really tired and never warm up, but woo! So I know my form isn't great, but you know, I'm working on it, and the fact that I can even get down a little bit, you know, in the push-up, you know, for that many reps, to be honest, that's pretty good for me. So I'm gonna try and focus a little bit more on my form in the next week, so hopefully it improves. Okay, so push-up challenge update is, I have 3 more days to go, so it's Monday now, and I just got 45 push-ups in a row. That's the highest I've got, so I just gotta do 5 more now, but then I think I'll be on 1850 push-ups all up. And then at the end of today I would have got 1900, which is so cool. So I'll reach 2000 tomorrow, and then Wednesday, the big last day, hoping to get to 50, but
yeah, going pretty well. Actually, I can't believe I got to 45. It was so hard. Like, I really thought, I really wanted to get it, and then I got to like 35 push-ups, and the last 10 were a bit of a struggle, but you know, took my time a little bit, and yeah, got there in the end. But yeah, 3 more days to go, and I have to say, I can't wait for this challenge to be over.
Okay, I'm officially up to my last set of 50 push-ups. So it's Wednesday, I did some this morning already, and now I'm going to do my last set. I'm going to try and get as many as I can, just try and smash it out because I don't have to do this anymore after today. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I hit my 2,000 push-ups yesterday, so today, yeah, it'll be 2,100 by the time I finish. So hoping just to get as many push-ups out as I can, and yeah, finish on a high. So yeah, one more set to go.
Oh my goodness.
Just did my last set and got 50. Obviously my technique for the last 10 or so wasn't fantastic. I had to take a little 1 second break, put my bum up, but I've done it. Challenge is over. Do I have any muscles yet? Probably not, but yeah, so happy. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that video of my push-up challenge. I am so stoked that I increased my max push-ups that much. Yeah, I mean, the fact that I got to 50 push-ups in a row, I mean, despite the, technique errors, I don't really care about that. I'm just pleased that I even got a little bit down. But yeah, honestly, I'm really proud of myself that I did this. I think it's really like a testament to myself that if I put my mind to something, I can do it, and you can as well. If there is an exercise or a part of your life that you dislike, you can always improve it. You just got to keep at it. We kept at it for 25 days, and yeah, both of us improved our push-ups. We got really strong. So this video was done a couple weeks ago now, and I can honestly say I can't do any more push-ups. My push-up max and my stamina has gone probably back to where it started. But it's a good thing to know that I can do it, and I am really glad that I did it. Yeah, will I do it again? Probably not in the near future. We're starting to be able to go back to the gym now, so maybe I'll try some sort of bench press or squat challenge or something now. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed doing this video. I love fitness challenges, so maybe I'll do another one soon. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know if you do decide to do this challenge. 100 push-ups a day is a big commitment sometimes, but when you do 50 in the morning, 50 at night, where's that time? You can do it. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So yeah, please let me know if you do decide to do it or what you thought. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. It really helps me, and yeah, I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching.